Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Tiller and Hatch chicken tortilla stew. We're going to be making it in our Instant Pot. Here's what we're going to do. First off, you're going to add 2 3/4 cups water into your Instant Pot. Next, in here we've got our 2 sauce packets. Now I've already done this part, but you're basically just going to run this under warm water just to loosen it up enough so that you can then put this into your pot. So we're going to cut these open and put it in there. Next, we're going to throw in all of the contents of our bag right on top. We're going to put our lid on, close that up, and then we're going to select our meat stew option. We're going to do low pressure. It says normal amount of time is 6, so we're going to do 5 minutes for this, and we're going to let it cook. And then once it's done cooking, we're going to wait 4 minutes, and then we'll do a manual release. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it's been just over our 4 minutes. I didn't quite make it in time, so now we are going to manually pressure release this. So we're simply just going to push our button. And you can see now here our little silver thing has went back down flush with the rest of it. So now we can safely take our lid off and check the inside. So here's what it looks like. We're just going to give it a quick stir. And there's what we've got. If you guys want to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to review this and tell you whether we would purchase it again. We'll leave that link down below, but before you leave here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.